If you're brand new to selling Canva templates on Etsy, the whole idea of template links can feel really confusing. What exactly are template links and how do they actually work? Do you have to create a unique template links for every single buyer? Are template links only for Canva Pro user? And if you cannot upload links directly to Etsy as your digital products, how do you actually deliver the Canva templates to your buyer in the first place? Are you using the same link for different buyers, or are you generating different links for each buyer? What makes a Canva template links a template links is that it gives buyer an editable version of the design. In other words, the word template simply means that the buyer receives their own unique copy of the design, which they can customize without affecting the original. And when they make changes to that product, you are not going to see those changes. It's not going to change the original design, and the other customers who have purchased that product are not going to see any changes made by other buyers. So that's why it's important if you are selling products means to be edited or customized by the buyer. For example, baby shower invitation where people need to add their own name, their own time, their own date, and also customizable events, planning items, you make sure you deliver them as a template. So this is different than just sharing the standard link on Canva. So instead of just describing this, I will pull up Canva and show you how to actually do it. So I have two products pull up on Canva right now, and let's say that I wanted to give you these products and deliver it as a template, right? So I don't want to share this actual project with you because I don't want you to make changes that I'm going to see on my end. I just want to give you your own copy so you can customize it, make it look however you want, but it doesn't actually do anything to my original design. So in order to share it with you as a template link, I have to do it, go up to the top right hand corner of my screen and select share. And then you can see there is a bunch of options that pop up here. I'm going to go to this, to these three dots. If you can see the template link here, you can click here. If you cannot see, just click on see all. And then you can see a lot of options. We just need template link. Then I just click on template link. And after that, I just click on create a template link. You can see link copied to clipboard. And then I just copy it. So link copied to clipboard. It says my link has been copied to my clipboard. Now we can see up here that the template link is live, meaning that it exists as a template and people can access it. So the link now, the link is the link that I'm going to deliver to my buyers. So I want to show you if your buyer just access to this template, what's happened. Then I'll go to the browser to show you. For example, this is the link of my products. I just copy it here. And here you just see two options, edit template and view template. And if you click on edit template, you can edit your template. And when you click on view template, you see this option, open in editor. Because I have a Canva account, I can see this option, open in editor. But if you cannot, you don't have an account, a Canva account, you cannot see it. You just see this one, and then you should to just sign up with Google, with other things, and then you can edit your product. Now, as far as how to actually deliver the template link to your customers, super simple. On Etsy, you cannot upload a link, right? So in order to actually deliver that template link to your customers, you have to upload a PDF document that has the link embedded in it. So this first page of my design here is a Canva template delivery page, and I'll link it in the description below this video in case you want to download it and use it and customize it for your own business. But this is an example of what exactly what I would use. Of course, it would look a little bit different depending on the products that you have in your store. So let's go the first, just click here. I wrote click here to edit, just click right here, and then you can see a lot of options, a bunch of options here. Just click on link and then just paste the link that we have, the links that related to the baby showers, to the birthday invitation, everything that you have, and then done. So this is our template that we want to share with our buyers or customers. And after that, just click here, just share, and then download. So the first, they suggested PNG, but if you download it in PNG or other format like JPG or other format, your buyers and your customers cannot click here and cannot edit it. But the Canva just suggested PNG, but you should to click PDF standard and then download it. So now your buyers, they are going to receive this. They are going to receive this page as a PDF, and when they open the page, they will click here. Just click here to edit in this button, and when they select this button, because I've embedded the link here. So that link is going to take them directly to the Canva template. That's going to give them a copy of the products that they purchased. So I just opened the PDF, and now we can see there is a link, and we can click here, and then to edit our you can just click here to this button and just edit your template. Maybe you have this question: if you use Canva, can you use Canva Pro elements in your templates? The answer is yes and no. So let's say that you create a customizable birthday invitation like this, and you use a picture, and that picture is a Canva Pro element like this. Go to elements, and for example, you can see this is a Canva Pro element. And I just put it here. And you use a Canva Pro elements in your products or in your invitation template. Even if your customers don't have Canva Pro, they are going to be able to access your template. They are going to make all their edits, and then when it comes time for them to download their design, after they've made the edit, Canva is not going to actually let them download their finished design until they've either removed all of the Canva Pro elements or they've signed up for Canva Pro. So if you are selling Canva template and you want to be use Canva Pro features, you want to be strategic and intentional about it and figure out whether or not that makes sense for you. It is important to consider the advantages and disadvantages before making that decision. One option is go ahead and use the Canva Pro elements. Make sure that you disclose that Canva Pro elements are used in your description and even in your listing cover, and then in your file delivery download. Go ahead and include a link to a free trial of Canva Pro for your customers. That way, if they don't have it, they can use it and actually download their design. The best option is just to not utilize Canva Pro elements in your design, especially if you are selling Canva templates. Now, that's only relevant again if you are selling templates. Canva templates are designs that buyers receive as their own editable copy. They can personalize the template, make any changes that they need, and download and use it and use the finished design. But if you are selling anything that is printable, so printable art, worksheet, lesson plans, game, kid activity, or anything like that, it doesn't matter if you use Canva Pro elements in your design. That's not going to affect your customer at all, in my opinion, because you are not sharing a link for them to edit the design. You're just sending them the actual design for them to download and print. In fact, you don't even need to have Canva Pro yourself unless you are selling Canva template. With just a free version of Canva, you can create and sell things like printable art, like worksheet, lesson plans, kids activity, or anything like that with a free version of Canva. you just won't be able to use the little picture, images, drawing, or photo that are labeled as Canva Pro, but you will have access to any of free elements to use in your design. Another question is that, is it actually legal to utilize Canva Pro elements in your designs if you are going to be selling your digital products to people and using them for commercial purpose? Generally, what I found about the Canva Pro elements is that the Canva Pro elements are licensed for commercial use, but only if they have been significantly modified. So if you are utilizing a Pro Canva elements in your design, you have the right to sell the design. But if I were to use a Canva Pro elements and I make it really big and put it on the center of the page and upload that like printable wall art, like on mug, and I mean a sticker, that is copyright violation because I haven't done anything to change it. I'm not utilizing it as a portion of the design. I'm essentially stealing a creator's art, uploading it on Etsy and trying to pass it off to as my own. So that is not allowed. If I change the design, does the template then update automatically, or does the template stay the same as before? So creating a template link doesn't save the project at that exact moment. Instead, it simply allows other people to access a copy of that design through the link, so they can open it, edit it, and use it on their own. So let's say you create a product and you turn it into an editable template, and the product sold really well. And now you want to sell a different color variation of that product. You cannot just go into your original design and change the color from pink to yellow and then sell it as a brand new template, because anyone who bought the pink version is now seeing that yellow version. So you want to make a duplicate copy of the project and make edit to that duplicated copy, because any changes that you make to that original design that has a template link, your previous and future customers are now going to see the latest changes that you've made whenever they access that template link. So if you have any question about Canva, Canva templates, Canva Pro, or selling digital products that I didn't cover in this video, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video useful for you, please just write comments and also subscribe the channel for more tips on creating and selling digital products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.